Co-champion Chef George here from the George Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make a vegan funfetti cake. 3-layer joint. It's going to be out of control. So here we go. So we got a whole bunch of ingredients here. We have some organic sugar. We got some date sugar in here as well. We're using some all-purpose flour. We're using some, what would you call these, sir?
Sprinkles.
Some sprinkles, all color sprinkles. We have some almond milk and some vanilla in there. We're going to be using some oil, some vegetable oil. We have our 3 layers already. These are already greased up, and we have parchment paper inside. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to add the wet ingredients to and I'll have a list of all the ingredients in the subject, in the description. And make sure you hit the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that. So boom, we're gonna put all the wet ingredients in. So we got the milk, almond milk that went in here along with the vanilla extract. We're gonna put in the oil now. We're gonna mix that all together. We also have salt, sea salt, and in here, sea salt and baking powder and baking soda. That's not the right size, so we won't use that one. Okay, we'll go ahead and fire it up. Put that in there like that. That is a half a cup plus a tablespoon. So I'll make sure I'll list all of the amounts of ingredients for you guys so you'll know. That was almost a hot, stinky mess. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend all this together. I got the oven at preheat at 350. So we just wanna mix all this together. That's the date sugar along with the organic sugar. I hope you guys can see that. But we got that all mixed together. Date sugar. Got some date sugar and some organic sugar along with the oil. That's all mixed together. Cool deal. So now we're going to go ahead and put the flour in. With the flour goes in here with the baking soda or baking powder. We'll go ahead and whisk this together. So we'll move this out of the way. We'll whisk this together. So this has the flour in it and also the baking powder, baking soda, and the sea salt. Fluff that all together like that. Like this and like that. And like this and like that and like that. And no? Can't have that?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, fire it up. So we fire that up. So now we're gonna go ahead and this is all gonna come to a delicious head. We're gonna mix this in. This is all going to get mixed in with the flour. All going to get mixed in with the flour. And you see that brown? That's the date sugar, which is all good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that there, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to make sure we scrape all this out. Get all the goodies out of here. Get all the goodies out. Make sure there's enough in each one. Make sure there's enough cake in each one. Batter in each one. Batter up.
You have it.
want to kind of spoon this in there. This one has a little bit more. It's got a little bit more than this one. I can feel the weight. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but you want to try to keep it uniform as possible. Because guess what? This is a fun, what kind?
Funfetti.
Funfetti. So you're supposed to have fun with it, not be, you don't have to be all, oh, see, perfect. All right, so now, we got these all ready. These are ready to go into the oven. Like I said, we're gonna put these in the oven for about 35 minutes. And then when you're not sure, you're supposed to be showing them, Craig. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 35 minutes. And then we'll come back in about 35 minutes. And after putting them in the oven, and we'll show you what they look like. We'll let them cool down, and then we'll let them rest, and then we'll show you how to make the frosting. Okay, we'll be back in about 35 minutes, guys. Fire it up. Try this again, shall we? Oh, that's better because she's getting mad. Flipping all out. I would normally use the food processor, but I just want to kind of let you guys see how versatile this hand mixer is. Or what do they actually call it? The bronze? Like a, what would they normally call this? Immersion blender, right? Yeah, see how it's getting creamy? That's what we want it to do. We want it to get creamy. So as it gets creamy, we'll start off with a cup of sugar. Powdered sugar. Yeah, boy. So we start off with a cup of powdered sugar. And we want to let this cool too. We want this frosting to be cool. Once we get it set. Yeah, look at that. You guys see that? It's going to be nice and fluffy. So I'm going to add another cup that I have measured out. Another cup of it could be a little messy this way. Maybe a little bit, huh? And this is going to be a nice vegan buttercream. How did you go? What size is the soup?
What size is the waist?
What size is the waist? Buttercream.
Crock skin.
Crock skin. Crock skin.
Crock skin. Crock skin soup.
Let me go put another cup of flour in. I keep calling it flour, but this is not flour. This is sugar. Powdered sugar, that is. And I'm going to add to this. Good. There you go. Bing. Worked out good, guys. right there. It's right at the cusp of being, uh-oh. Okay, so now we just kind of just do that. Yeah. There we go. You want to scrape the edges down too. Once we get down to the end, there's a little bit left in here. Might as well go ahead and throw it up in here. Go up in there. Get in the boat. Okay, put that on. There we go. There we go. Now what we gotta do is taste it. Now we have to taste it. My son got his hand out like he's gonna get some. Okay, let me just get a little spoon.
You don't have to, but you better.
Get a little spoon here. I'm gonna just sample this. Oh yeah. My son's like, what? What? You want to scrape these sides down. Like I said, this is fluffy, man. Ooh-wee. We want to put this in the refrigerator for probably like 30 minutes and let it get it cool even more. But it's got the gift. Perfectly sweetened. Put that right there. And my son, he could do a little sample. But how you gonna touch that, bro? You touch it through the camera. That's what I'm just trying to figure out how is he gonna get that done. He's gonna smack while he's doing it. All right, so where you at over there, bro? We got this nice and ready. Got it all off. I'm gonna clean this mess up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, put this in the refrigerator, let this cool for about 30 minutes. And then we'll come back, we'll frost the cake, and show you what it looks like. So we'll be back. You guys hang in there. This is a little bit of a process, but it's a lot of fun. This is so good. All right, we'll be back shortly, guys. Okay, champion, we're back. We just got through taking the frosting out of the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now we're frosting it, each level one at a time, putting it on evenly all the way around. Then we're gonna take the sprinkles and put it on top. You wanna make sure you put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, and then you can serve it. I'm Chef George. Make sure you subscribe. You guys are awesome. God bless.